guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Julia if you've never been here before, but if you have, hi girls, welcome back. I'm so glad to have you back. Do not get scared with how the video starts because I look like a hot mess. Hello guys, welcome to another vlog. I know I look like a freak. I never start my videos like this, but I'm gonna do my hair because I'm gonna go to my brother-in-law's house. Bro, is that a strawberry? Bro, it is. Welcome to random things I find in the house. A strawberry. So I'm about to do my hair in the bathroom, check out the setup. Is it nasty? Did I have my coffee in here? Probably, but... oh my gosh, I feel like that Bratz meme. I hope the echo doesn't bother you guys too much, and I also hope that this shadow behind me isn't too distracting. If my hair looks kind of white, it's not caspa, dude. I mean, it might be, but I put dry shampoo on so that it dries up like the oil and stuff like that. I usually like to let it sit in a bun so that I can get some type of volume. Also, my lashes look like trash. Please do not stare at them too much. Yeah, so these lashes are not the same. Just try not to look at them. I am gonna fix this. I am gonna curl it and it's gonna look decent. You're not even gonna know it's there, but for now, just kind of ignore it. Today's actually my day off, you guys. So we're gonna go to my brother-in-law's house to hang out. It's actually Easter weekend right now. I don't know what we're gonna do. I don't think we're gonna do anything because we don't really have younger kids here, so I don't know. Also, you guys, look at my coffee. It's super dark. It's actually a little bit bitter. I don't usually like my coffee like that. I like it to be a little more lighter, a little bit more creamier. I like the sweet, creamy coffee, but right now, you guys, I am also trying to lose weight, not only to get my summer body, of course, but I am going to a rave in about like 3 weeks, and I really want to. I want to lose like 10 pounds. Can I lose 10 pounds in 3 weeks? I don't know, probably. I just don't want to starve myself. I love to eat. I don't want to do such thing, and I'm not going to, but I'm really trying to like make healthier decisions just so that I can get to my goal weight before that concert. So I'm gonna try my best. So for now, I'm gonna try this bitter coffee. It's not bad, it's just I like it a little more creamier than this, you know. It is what it is. So I'm gonna finish doing my hair, and then after, I think I'm gonna paint my nails. They're so ugly. And if you guys don't know, I do work at Starbucks, and they don't allow us to have nail polish, and they don't allow us to have any like acrylic nails or long nails, which actually sucks because I have very fat fingers. So when I wear long nails, it makes them look like they're not as chubby as they are. And since I haven't been able to wear long nails or even nail polish, I feel like I have like sausage hands, like weenie hands, and I freaking hate it. So I think today I'm going to paint them since I have like 3 days off. So I think I'm going to paint them, and then I'll just like unpaint them when I go back. So I think I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna finish doing my hair, guys, and then I'll come back when I look a little more put together, and I'll fix this dang eyelash that's like flying away, and hopefully it looks the same as this other one. Okay, see you guys in a little bit. Hopefully I'm looking a little bit better than I do now. Alright guys, so hopefully I'm looking a little bit better than what you saw in the last clip. I changed. I'm wearing this like summer little tank top that my niece had gave me like a long time ago, and I just never really wore it. So it's always really cold here where I live, but today it's like 60s, a little warm. So I decided to wear it, even though realistically it's a little bit colder where I'm gonna go, so I can't really wear it for the video. I'll wear it for you guys. Anyways, I wanted to switch out my bag because I'm not really feeling this one anymore. This is more of like a fall winter bag, and I really want to like transition into a more summer spring one. This is a bag I currently am wearing. It says LD, but it is fake. I got it from a street vendor in Rome, but this is what it looks like. It's so beautiful. I honestly really love her so much, but I do want to switch it up just because it is spring, as I keep saying. So don't get mad at me, but I bought a new one. I bought this one, and honestly the main reason why I even bought this one is because it matches with my little wallet that you guys saw in the previous video, and it's so cute. If you guys haven't seen it, go watch that video. It's super adorable. Anyways, that is the main reason why I bought this purse right here. So I'm going to switch to this one. Okay, so this is the purse I will be switching into. I'll probably do it more in depth, like what's in my purse, just because I really like to watch those back in the days. Let me know if you guys want to see one of those. I'll probably do it anyways. But anyways, I got this purse at Ross for $40. Isn't it so cute? It's more ring. I love it, and it has like this little like long string bag where you can just hang it to you. Also, you guys, I painted my nails, and if you guys didn't know, I keep saying, but I do work at Starbucks and I love it so much. I really do love my job. I just hate that I can't have jewelry and I can't have my nails painted. But I did get 3 days off this week, and I was like, you know what, I am just gonna paint my nails and then I'll just take off the nail polish right before I go back to work. So I painted them this pretty pink because I'm tired of looking like a boy, to be honest. So I love her. I feel like I'm getting my personality back. Hi guys, so it's actually pretty late right now, but I am hella craving chips because, fun fact, it's actually that time of the month right now, and I really want chips, but I don't have any chips in my house because I took them out of my house because I was like, I don't need temptation, because, you know, like I told you guys, I'm trying to lose weight, I'm trying to lose like 10 pounds, but now I want chips and I don't have any chips. But you know what I do have is these. Do you guys know what these are? If you're Mexican, you know what these are. If you're not, these little thingies, and these are essentially like pasta. Is it like pasta? I don't know what it is, but anyways, if you deep fry them, they like puff up and turn nice. So that's what we're gonna do right now. It's super late, but I want some. So I got my little setup right here. And I got my little thermometer. So what you do, you grab your little bolsita, you take your little chippy, and then we test it. I don't even have a spoon. Ah! Oh my god. Jesus Christ. It's not even ready anyway, so who cares? If you guys do this at home, make sure you have your whole spoon set up ready, because I do not. Ugh, where's my spoon, bro? I found the spoon. You guys might be wondering, why are you doing this? Why are you going through so much trouble? It's clearly more trouble than it is, but I will turn into a monster, you guys. When I'm hungry, I'm just like, nadie me aguanta. So I decided to do this, do everybody a self-service, and just feed myself. Alright, so real quick, let's just taste them for poison. Delicious. Really good. Now, we're gonna do some of these other cool ones, which they look like little squares. And they grow kind of into like little charolitas like this. And sometimes people sell them like preparados, which means like they put like toppings on it, and it's really good. So let's see how we can make these right now. I have burned the sheaths out of myself. Alright guys, so it's been a little while, and you guys might be asking, how many did you make? I know you guys are gonna be like, dude, te pasaste, like that is way too much. But you guys, this actually lasts us like a pretty long time, and it's so tedious to make, so I'd rather just do it all de una vez, and then we can enjoy them for a really long time. And they do not go stale in this little baggie. I just wanted to show you guys real quick. I have 3 different kinds. I have the regular kind, these like flat ones, and then these white ones. Have you guys ever seen these? Let me know. Alright guys, so I'm currently editing the video that you're watching right now, and I realized that I didn't end it. So I'm going to end it right now, but real quick, I'm going to show you guys a little haul that I went to. I went to H&M and I went to Didi's discounts. I'm just going to show you guys that really quick before I end it. I know this video is kind of random and all over the place, but that's usually how my days off usually go. I'm doing the most randomest things. But anyways, here's the haul. So the first thing I got was this hair tools mat, because I'm always leaving my hair tools on my bed, on a piece of a notebook, on like a piece of clothing, and I'm always just a little bit scared and on edge that I'm gonna burn my like bed sheets or something. So I bought one of these, and I think it would work really good. It was only $3. I wish it was in another color, but it's okay as long as it works. Also from Didi's, I got this swimsuit. It's green, and it's actually by a brand like the Target brand. I don't know how to say it, but it's like a Target brand. I've seen it at Target and it was only $7.99. What a steal. Check out your local DDs. They had a bunch of swimsuits, you guys, a bunch of them. And then I just bought kind of boring stuff because I bought a bunch of black shirts because that's what I'm required to wear at work, which by the way I had to take off my nail polish because I already went back to work. So there's that. So I bought a bunch of like little black t-shirts like this. I bought 2 of these, and then I bought some biker shorts for the summer. These were $4.99. And then from H&M I bought 2 of these t-shirts. They have like the little Roman thingy, and then they have the Statue of David in the back. So we bought 2 because it reminded us if we went to Rome. So I got one for myself and one for my honey, but not that we're gonna be like matching or anything or wearing it the same day, but we did get 2, one for me and then one for him. They're kind of big actually, to be honest, so I'll probably wear them with the biker shorts and I think it'll be cute. It'll be a vibe. Okay, so I got these 2 and then that's pretty much it. I'll probably start another vlog either today or tomorrow just so we can do like these weeks in my life, just so you guys can see the random things I've been doing nowadays. But anyways, that is going to conclude this video. I know it was hella random, but nonetheless I hope you guys really enjoyed it, and until the next time, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.